In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Word document in Google Docs. If you have a Word file that you want to view or work on inside Google Docs, the process is very simple. This is useful when you want to edit a Microsoft Word document in your browser, save it in Google Drive, or collaborate with other people using Google Docs tools. To begin, open Google Docs. You can do this from your web browser, and once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll be ready to import your Word file. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so the document opens in the right place and can be saved to your drive. Once Google Docs is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the file picker, which appears as a folder icon. This option lets you choose a file from different locations, including files from your computer. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the top area of the page, because that folder icon is the key to bringing an existing document into Docs. After the file picker opens, select the Upload tab. This section is specifically designed for adding files from your device into Google Docs. It's the right choice when your Word document is saved locally on your computer, rather than already stored in Google Drive. Next, click Browse to search for the Word file on your computer, or simply drag and drop the file directly into the Upload window. Either method works well, so you can choose whichever feels faster and easier. If you use Browse, a file window will appear, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your document is saved. Then just select the file and confirm your choice. If you drag and drop, make sure you release the file inside the upload area so Google Docs can begin importing it. Now wait for the upload to complete. The time this takes may depend on the size of the document and your internet speed, but for most standard Word files, it should only take a few seconds. During this step, avoid closing the tab so the upload can finish properly. Once the upload is done, the document will open in Google Docs automatically. At that point, you can read it, edit it, and continue working on it directly in your browser. This makes it easy to move from Microsoft Word to Google Docs without having to recreate the file manually. And that's how to open a Microsoft Word document in Google Docs.